Dear friends, today we are going to learn how to create nut and bolt. After that, we shall apply the screw mate on the nut and bolt so that when we shall rotate the nut, then it will move along the bolt. So let us start. So first we shall click on the file, then go to new, then click on part, then click on OK. So first we shall create the bolt head. We shall select the front plane, then go to a sketch, click on a sketch, click on polygon, then click on origin, then make the polygon. Press escape. We shall make the points horizontal. Now click on a smart dimension, then make its dimension be 100. Then go to features, extruded boss. Make it 20. Now the bolt head is ready. Now we shall make the bolt shank. So select this face, then go to a sketch, then circle. Draw a circle of dia 50 mm. Go to features, then extruded boss. Make the shank of length 150 mm. Click OK. So our bolt head and shank is ready. Now we have to make thread. We have to make thread on the shank. For that, click on the arrow below the hole wizard, then go to thread. Press OK. Then in the thread location, select the edge here. Here M52 is selected and the pitch is 5 mm. The thread type is M52 and pitch is 5 mm. Now thread length we have to set here. You can set any thread length according to your requirement. I will take it 100. Then click on OK. So our bolt is ready. Now we shall save the bolt. Go to file, then save. Name it as bolt. So bolt is ready. Now we shall make the nut. Go to file, click on new, click on OK. Click on front plane. You can go to a sketch from here also. Click on polygon. Draw a polygon. Go to a smart dimension. Make the dimension be 100. Go to features, then extruded boss. Make it as 40. Now in the bolt, we shall create the chamfer. So for creating the chamfer, we shall select the top plane, then go to a sketch. Here we shall draw the chamfer profile. Click on line. You can make any type of chamfer profile as per your requirement. I am making like this. Press escape. Then here I will take the center line. I will draw two center lines here. One center line here. Press escape. Again center line. And one center line here. Now I will mirror this chamfer profile. Mirror about this line. Then click OK. Now go to features, then revolved cut. Then axis of rotation, I will select this line. Then press OK. So here you can observe that the nut body is ready. Now we have to make thread along this part, along this surface. Select this surface, go to a sketch. Go to circle. Make a circle of dia 50 mm. Click on OK. Go to features. Then go to extruded cut. Click on through all. Then click OK. Now we shall make threads here. For making the threads, I will go to hole wizard below arrow. Then click on thread. I will select this edge. Then here again we have to take it M52 and pitch 5 as we have taken in the bolt. Now here we have to adjust the thread length. So for that we shall make the thread length as 40. So when we make it 40, we will observe here that thread is slightly coming out of the nut. So here we shall make it 35. We shall decrease by 5 because our pitch is 5. So from 40 we shall take it 35. Enter. So now the thread is adjusted inside the nut. So here we shall select extrude thread, then click on OK. So now our nut is also ready. Now save the nut. I shall save it as nut. Now close this. Again go to file, then new. Now click on assembly, then OK. So first we shall bring the bolt here. Click the bolt and click open. So bolt is here. Now we shall insert the nut. So both the nut and bolt are inserted into the assembly now. Now we shall apply the screw mate on both bolt and nut, so that when we rotate the bolt, it should move along the bolt. When we will rotate the nut, it should move along the bolt. So go to mate, then go to mechanical. Here we have one option, that is screw. So here in the mate selections, we have to select the cylindrical part of the nut and the cylindrical part of the bolt. Now here, distance per revolution, we have to activate this distance per revolution. So our pitch was 5 mm, therefore we have to take here the distance of 5 mm, then enter. Here reverse is not needed, we shall deactivate this, then click on OK. So we are done. Now if we rotate this, I think something is wrong here. We shall apply the screw mate again. Delete this. Go to mate. Go to mechanical. Go to screw mate. Then select here this shank. This face. Then here we will take distance per revolution. Then we shall take here 5. Then OK. Again OK. Yes, now it is perfectly fine. So now it is done. So if we rotate this bolt, then we can observe that it is moving on the bolt. So now it is perfectly done here. When we rotate the bolt, it will move along the bolt. Sorry, when we rotate the nut, it will move along the bolt. Also, if you rotate from opposite side, it will move on opposite side. So it is perfectly done now. In this way, you can make nut and bolt, and you can apply a screw mate on the nut and the bolt. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt in the SolidWorks or any project you are not able to do in the SolidWorks, then please share with me. I will tell you how to solve the problem and how to make that project run. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks. Have a great day.